beautiful family, this yam recipe is the must try. So just keep on watching. So guys, this is another yam recipe just in case you're bored of the regular. So you're just going to cut your yam into cubes and boil it halfway till it is half done. And you're going to boil it like almost soft, and you're going to put it in the oven. This is entirely optional. You don't have to put that in the oven if you don't want to. Next, I'm eating some palm oil. You can use less if you don't want to use as much palm oil as I did. And of course, I'm going in with some onions, some red onions, and some pepper mix. This is like pepper and some tomatoes blended all together. I'm adding some ginger paste, some salt to taste, and some seasoning cubes as well. And I'll just let this fry for about 5 minutes so that of course I don't have that raw taste. I'm going to be using some sweet chili sauce, and that is optional if you don't want it. I'm using some Ponmo. This is like cow hide, and some shredded smoked fish. You can add more protein, you can add shrimps, whatever you decide is entirely optional. This is like freestyle, just use whatever you want. And it has fried for about 3 minutes, and I am adding my cubed yams there and some spring onions. Guys, this was so tasty, and I didn't want it to be the usual porridge. I wanted the yams to be whole. That is why I actually still finished it off in the oven that way. I didn't want it to be all mushy and also like joined all together, and I wanted it like wholesome. That is why I didn't make it like porridge, and it stayed that way, and that was why I put it in the oven. So guys, this is another recipe for you, and our food is ready. Very tasty. You can try this for many other options. Thank you so much for watching. Do come back and stay blessed. Bye.